Welcome back students. Here it is the question number 4 of exercise 6.3. Question it is given, find the square root of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. So here you need to find the square root of the given numbers by prime factorization method. So I am going to explain how you will apply the prime factorization method. So in this question total 10 parts are given there. So I had written the 5 parts from these questions, and whatever the rest of the 5 parts are there, that will be the homework that you need to do by yourself. Now here I am going to solve the question number 4, first part. The number is given 729. So in the prime factorization method, first you will find the prime factors of the given number. Like you need to find the prime factors of 729. All of you had find the prime factors in the previous classes also, so that way you need to apply to find the prime factor. So here first I am going to find the prime factors. So that number is not divisible by 2, so you will check for the 3. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? You will add the numbers, and if the addition is divisible by 3, then the number will be also divisible by 3. So 7, 2, 9, 9, 18. It means it is divisible by 3. So here it is 3. So 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3. Then 3 3 2 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21. Then 3 9 ja 27, 3 3 ja 9, and 3 1 ja 3. So all of you are familiar with this method to find the prime factors. So here I had find the prime factors of 729. So here you will write 729. It is equal to how many 3 are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I had explained that what is the symbol of the square root. It is the symbol of the square root. You need to find the square root of the number. So here it is the symbol of the square root, so which I had written the symbol, and in that symbol you have written the 729. It means you are going to find the square root of 729. And here these are the prime factors of the 729. Now you need to make the pairing in the that factors. The same numbers pair you need to make, like 3 3 1 pair, again 3 3 1 pair, and here it is 3 3 pair. So total 3 pairs are there. So after that you will write under root 729. It is equal to, you will pick one number from each pair, and that square root symbol will be removed. Here you need to write that symbol, but here you will pick one number, like 3 from this pair, 3 from the second pair, and 3 from the third pair. So it shows that under root 729, yeah, square root of 729 equal to 3 3 ja 9, 3 ja 27. So square root of 729 is 27. So it is the solution of the first part of the question number 4th. Now students, here I have written the 4th part of the question, that is 4096. So you are going to find the square root again. First you will find the prime factors. So students, if you are going to find the prime factors, that steps you will show in the fair copy. Here whatever the step I am going to find the prime factor, that will be also shown in the fair copy. So 4096, here unit digit is even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 2 ja 4, then 0, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 2 1 ja 2, here it is 0, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Now by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, or 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 5, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. Again it is by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. Again it is by 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8. Then by 2 it will be 32. Again it is by 2, so 16. Then 2 8 ja 16. Then 2 4 ja 8. Then 2 2 ja 4, and here 2 1 ja 2. So here you got the prime factors of the 4096 in the form of only 2. So here you will write under root 4096 equal to under root, and how many 2 are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So here you will write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So I have written all the prime factors of the 4096. Now you need to make the pairing. So here one pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair, sixth pair. So all the numbers are in the pair. So it shows that under root 4096 equal to, you will pick one number from each pair. So total 6 pairs are there. So 6 numbers you will get. Here 2 from the second pair, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So out of 6 pairs you have taken one number. Now you need to multiply these. So under root 4096 equal to 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. So here it is 64. So the square root of 4096 is 64. Now students, here I have written the next number 5929, and you are supposed to find the square root of that number. So that is the 7th part of the question. In the question number 4th, it is the 7th part. So first you will find the prime factors. So 5929. So student, first you will check for the 2. So here unit place is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. Now you will check for the 3. For the 3 you will add the number. So 9, 5, 14, 2, 16, 16, 9, 25. So 25 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. After that, you are not supposed to do for the 4. Reason is that when you are going for the prime factorization method, you will check the number for the prime number. So after 2, 3, you will get the next prime number 5. So this number is not divisible by 5. Reason is that the unit place should be 0 or 5 for the divisibility of the 5. After 5, which is the next prime number, that is 7. So you need to check for the 7. So I think this number is divisible by 7. So I am going to divide it by 7. Then 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56, 8 and 3. Then 7 4 ja 28. Then 4 7 7 ja 49. So that number is divisible by 7. Again it is divisible by 7. So you can divide it and you can check that how it is divisible by 7, that you can check. Then 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 1 ja 7. Now again you will check for the 7. So this number is not divisible by 7. Then you will check for the next prime number is 8 is not a prime number, 9 is also not a prime number, 10 is not a prime number, then 11. So I think this number is divisible by 11. So 11 1 ja 11, 11 1 ja 11. Again 11 1 ja 11. So here I got all the prime factors of the number. So here you will write square root of 5929 equal to square root of 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. So make the pair of the similar numbers. So here it is 7, 7 one pair and 11, 11 second pair. So from each pair you will pick one number. So it shows that square root of 5929 equal to 7 into 11. That is equal to, here from the downside you can write under root 5929, it is equal to 77. So square root of 5929 is 77. That is the solution of the 7th part. Now students, I am going to find the next 8th part of the question, that is 9216. So again you need to first find the prime factors of this number. So here unit place is 6, so it will be divisible by 2. So divided by 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, and after that you will put the 1. Now student, here many of the students they are having the confusion. So here I am going to explain that how you will divide. If you are going to divide it by 2, then 2 4 ja 8, then here it is 1, then you will pick the next number, then 2 6 ja 12, here it is 0, then you will pick the next number 1. It is not going to be divided. If after putting here the number and if it is not going to be divided, then you need to pick the next number, but before that here you need to put 0. So put the 0 here and put the next number, then 2 8 ja 16. So many of the students they are going to write 468, that will be wrong. So you need to follow the proper way of the division. So it will be divided, so you will get 4608. Now again unit place is 8, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 0 2 4 ja 8. Again divisible by 2, then 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, so 2 5 ja 10, 1 2 7 ja 14, 2 6 ja 12. Then again by 2, then 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 16, then by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, again by 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, then 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, then by 2, 18 2 ja 36, again by 2, 2 9 ja 18, now it is divisible by 3, then 3 3 ja 9, and again 3 1 ja 3. So here I got all the factors of the 9216, so I will write it here. Under root 9216, it is equal to, first how many 2 are there, here I am going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, total 10 2 are there. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and after that 2 3 are there, 1 2, so into 3 into 3. Now make the pairing, 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 pairs are there. Out of these, so you will pick one number from each pair. So under root 9216 equal to total 5 pair of 2 is there, so 5 2 you will write 1 2 3 4 5, and here it is one pair of the 3, so 1 3 you will take. So it shows that under root 9216 equal to 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 3 ja, it will be 96. So under root 9216 equal to 96. Now I am going to explain the ninth part of the question. That number is given 529. So you need to find the square root of 529. So this number is not divisible by 2. You will check for the 3. So 9 to 11, 5, 16. 16 is not divisible by 3. So that number will be also not divisible by 3. You will check for the next 5. 5 is the prime number after 3. So it is not divisible by 5. Then 7. 7 7 ja 49. Then 3 39, so it is not divisible by 7 also, it is not divisible by 11. So students, you need to have the patience to check the if you are going to get this kind of number. So I had checked for 2 3, then next prime number I had checked for 5, then 7, after that 11, then you will get the 13, so you will check for the 13, and if you are going to follow that way, then you will find that this number will be divisible by, I think, 23. This number will be divisible. 23 is also a prime number, so this number is divisible by 23. So in the finding the prime factorization method, you need to have the patience and you need to check for the prime numbers. So from 2 to 13 you can check it easily, but after that you need to divide it and you need to check for, like after 13 you will check for the 17, then 19. So that will take a little bit time when you are going to get this kind of number. So that is divisible by 23. So here 23, 2 ja 46, then 6, 69, and 23 3 ja 69, and again 23 1 ja 23. So 529 is the square of 23. So here you will write under root 529 equal to 23 into 23. Now you will make the pairing. So one pair is there. So under root 529 equal to 23. So square root of 529 is 23. So students, that is the way to find the square root of any number by prime factorization method. So 50% of the questions given in the question number 4, that I had given the solution, and rest whatever the question is left, that you need to solve by yourself. And if you will get any problem, then you need to comment me, and then that part I will explain. But all the parts are similar, so you can find it easily. So now thank you students.